Look, you can take your finger and bend it all the way back, and then watch. Oh! It pops right through my finger. What? 1, 2, 3, and it links back on. This is the secret of the trick. Watch if I just wave over top. And you can see them linked together in the blink of an eye. Look, as you dip it down in the water, all the color just disappears. Red, blue, red, blue. Then going to take the thimble and grab it with your other hand.
How'd you do that?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 11 easy magic tricks that you can do. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! For this trick, we take the ring off the pencil 1, 2, 3, and it links back on just like that. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is actually extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. All you need is a finger ring and a pencil. You put the ring on the pencil like this, showing you the behind the scenes exposed view here. As this hand comes over to grab the ring and make it look like you're sliding it up off the pencil, you're actually just gonna let it drop down behind these fingers. While you've got it hidden here, you're gonna pretend that you're holding the ring over in this hand, and then to make it look like it links back onto the pencil in an instant, bring your hand over to cover and pop the ring up into this position. So here's what it looks like at full speed. You grab the ring like this, slide it up, bam, and it links right back on. So I have a deck of cards here, Clarissa, you can see it. Also have a little empty box, a little card box. So you take the box and you actually put the deck of cards into the box like this, and then just give it a little blow. It vanishes.
What?
Like that.
Wait a second. How did you do that?
This is one of our newest products available at EvanEraTV.com. An absolute classic and super easy magic trick to do. It is so easy that anyone can do it. You just take the little case, slide it onto the deck of cards, and it instantly vanishes. Available now at EvanEraTV.com, and I will reveal the secret to you right now. It looks like a normal deck of cards on this side, but flip it around and it's actually a hollow shell. All you have to do is slide it in the box like this, and now it looks like an empty box. Making the deck reappear is just as easy. You turn it over, slide the deck out, and now it has magically reappeared. It comes with everything you need, the shell deck and the magic box. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. Check the link in the description if you want to get one. So I want to show you guys at home. It's all different cards in this deck. It's not all the same cards you can see, Clarissa. All right, so I'm just going to fan through them like that, and you just pick any card you want. Just point to it.
I want this one.
This one here?
Yeah.
Right there. Okay, just take a look at it, memorize it, make sure you got it locked in your mind.
All right, I got it.
Got it? Okay, so look, I'm going to take the card, put it back in the deck, and just give it a little mix. Just make sure you keep the card in your mind. All right, so check this out. We're going to go through the deck, and I think I've got a feel for what your card is. Just keep it locked in your mind. I think it's this one right here.
I don't know.
For the first time, what was your card?
Is it a 6 of spades? Yeah.
6 of spades.
How'd you do that?
Okay, so I've got an empty mug here. You can see there's nothing inside it, right?
Oh, I remember we got that mug.
Nothing in my hand, right? Watch if I just wave over top. It sounds like a coin. Just instantly appears inside. Watch closely the rubber band wrapped around my 2 fingers. If you blink, you'll miss it. It visually pops right through my fingers, just like that. This is about as easy as a magic trick can get. All you need for it is a single rubber band and the following moves. You're going to start out by placing the rubber band on your 2 fingers like this. Take the thumb of your other hand and insert it into the band like this. Then take your forefinger and stretch it down. Once you're in this position, you're going to take your thumb of the other hand and touch it to the ring finger of the opposite hand. Now all you have to do to make it seem like the rubber band passes through your fingers in an instant is let off with your forefinger right here. Just let that band slip right off the tip of your finger just like that, and that's it. One more quick run through. You've got the rubber band wrapped around the two fingers of this hand. The thumb comes in from this backside, stretches the rubber band out. The pointer finger on the other hand stretches the rubber band down. Take your thumb, connect it to the ring finger of the other hand, and then let it slip off the tip of this pointer finger just like that. 2 dental floss picks. Watch. 1, 2, 3. And they instantly link together just like that. You can see they really are linked, but watch. Just as quickly as they link, they unlink just like that. The secret to the magic linking floss picks trick is diabolically simple. They look just like normal floss picks, but one of them has a special secret. I'll show you in slow motion what happens. You bring it down. You bring this one down and it's like a carabiner. It kind of pops open like this for it to link on. We have this trick available from our online magic shop, EvanEraTV.com. You can see the floss on this one kind of moves because it's detached at the top. It's spring-loaded. Super easy to do. You just bring them together like this and they link. And then all you have to do is reverse that motion and they unlink. So easy you can actually have a spectator do it, and it's such a visual penetration. This is my new favorite pocket trick to carry around with me and show people. Instead of it being like 2 big metal rings that nobody can relate to, it's floss picks. Everyone uses floss picks, right? Bam! Get this trick now at the link in the description. Look, as you dip it down in the water, all the color just disappears from the drawing. But lift it back out of the water again, and all the color magically reappears. Below the surface, black and white. Above the surface, full color. Setting this up is super easy. Just take a piece of paper and illustrate a color drawing. Now once you have your color illustration completed, you're going to take this and put it down inside a plastic Ziploc bag. Seal the bag up. Now take your marker and outline the drawing on top of the plastic bag. Once you have it outlined, the next step is to fill up a bowl of water. Once you have your bowl full of water, you're ready to perform the trick. As soon as it dips below the surface of the water, the color just instantly disappears from the drawing. So crazy looking. And just like that, all the color is gone. It's black and white. But anything above the water level just instantly becomes colorized again. This happens because of the refraction of light through the water. Fun DIY magic trick that you can do at home. All you need is a Ziploc bag, some water, some markers, and some paper. Watch the little red hexagon. It instantly changes color to blue and then back to red in an instant. All you need to set this up are a couple sheets of construction paper, a pair of scissors, and some double-sided tape or glue. Step number 1 is cut some strips of construction paper that are identical in size to each other. You'll need a total of 4, 2 in each color. Your next step is to take your double-sided tape or glue and you're going to join together 2 of the opposite colors. So we've got a blue and a red here. We're just going to paste those together just like this. If there's any color peeking over, just go ahead and use your scissors to trim up the edges. Now on one side it should be red, the other side blue, or whatever colors you're using. Then do the exact same thing with the other 2 pieces. So now we've got these 2 strips of paper that are blue on one side and red on the other. The next step is to take the strips and fold each one of them into thirds, like this. Now that you have them folded, your next step is to join them together on the edges. Piece of tape here, and you're just going to join them together just like this. And then the same thing on the other side. Now, as you can see, we have our impossible color changing shape. On this side it's blue, on this side it's red. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. It's about as easy as a trick can be to perform. All you have to do is tilt it back and forth, and it looks like it magically changes colors in an instant. You can also add your other hand for cover to make it look a little more magical when it changes. Watch the shape visually change colors in an instant. A super amazing magic trick that you can do at home with a thimble or a bottle cap. Show your hands empty on both sides. You're then going to take the thimble and grab it with your other hand. Make it vanish. Grab, and then it will instantly reappear. This is a very basic sleight of hand trick, so you're going to start out with it on the tip of your forefinger like this. Here's what's happening that the audience doesn't see. When your hand comes over to grab it, you're going to bring your finger back and tuck the thimble into this position. So from an exposed view, just like that. To make it reappear on your fingertip, you just reverse the same move. So from an exposed view, here's what's happening without my other hand to cover and make it look like I'm grabbing it. Hand like this, I put the other hand up to cover. I've now tucked it into this position. I do a little Hollywood to make it look like it vanishes. And this hand turns back in this direction to provide some cover. I bring the hand up reverse the move, and now the thimble has instantly reappeared. Full speed, it should look like this. Grab it, vanish it, make it reappear. Look, you can take your finger and bend it all the way back, and then watch. Oh! And then, of course, we can put it back on just like that. Alright, super simple secret for this one. All you need are your two hands, so you can do this at a moment's notice. Take your thumb, you're going to put it over like this, and then your ring finger is going to kind of slide up the thumb like that. Your pointer and middle finger are going to kind of fold over the ring finger like this to hide it. So now that you've got this set up, you're going to bring your other hand into position and curl the ring finger of that hand under at this knuckle right here. So from this angle, it should look like you just have a nub for a ring finger. Combine that with what we've got going on the other hand, and now we have completed our illusion. You can make it look like you bend the ring finger of that hand all the way back, and then pull it off, and then magically restore it by just extending this ring finger out and opening the other hand. Alright guys, that is it for this episode of How To Magic. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, let me know you're there, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know which one of these magic tricks was your favorite. Be sure to tap that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you see all of our videos when they get posted. If you want to learn more easy magic tricks like this, be sure to check out the playlist of all the How To Magic episodes. Be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. The link is in the description for that. It's our online magic shop. We have hundreds of different magic tricks available, and we ship all over the world. So no matter where you are, you can get a big box of magic delivered to your doorstep. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.